Nelson has been in the carpentry business ever since he was in college. His range of projects depict who Nelson is as an artist. He began by building simple tables and chairs. One of Nelson's noteworthy services was creating the pews for the first Presbyterian church. He also did work on the French-Lick casinos. One of Nelson's favorite stories was building cabinets for a little girl's One Direction photo and t-shirts. Nelson provides better services to his customers. He visits each of his clients at their homes per their request and shares a special relationship with each of them. So much so that customers continue to come back. Nelson does not want to compete with the big corporations. He wants to focus on the localization movement of Bloomington. Therefore, his marketing relies on word of mouth, which has led him to his success.